Ngiyanibingelela nonke igama uSibonga Inkosi wakwaMthembu ngiqhamuka kwinkampani ebizwa ngeMagaga Media and Communications inkampani based Othongat but sine office khona la eThekwini eCBD ama services that we offer events management company. We do professional events, exhibitions, meetings, as well as exhibitions. We also offer EPR and marketing as part of our services. Challenges akhona, I'd say it's competition mostly, and also being a business elingakaziwa kakhulu. You get ukuthi umuntu nje uzobe nafuna ukusebenzisana nalama business amakhulu aziwayo ngaphandle kokusazi kahle kahle amagalelo ethu ukuthi ahamba afike kuphi. So kube challenge ke lokho ungaziwa, hence why sila ku Durban Business Fair sizama ukuthi sizibonakalise nathi nabangasazi basazi. We also do that on social media ukuthi sizama ukuposta kakhulu so that saziwe kuze mase sifuna imisebenzi sikwazi ukutholakala. The most recent one eske sayenza sisebenzile kwiKwande Festival ekade khona la eDEC. Besi PCO khona professional conference organizer, saphinde sasebenza ku Meetings Africa ekade iseGoli nakhona futhi besi provide ama logistics as well as this manager media center yakhona. Hey, there's a lot of planning that goes behind the scenes. Kuyasiza ke futhi nokuba ne-team, just i-team just senza izinto ezodwa. We focus on izinto ezihlukene, so masithola imisebenzi sesihlukaniselane. Umuntu nomuntu afocuse kwama streams ahlukene komsebenzi, so that senza show ukuthi nene teamwork basically ukusebenzisana ukwenza show ukuthi nene siya deliver egcineni kosuku. So there's a lot of planning that goes behind the scenes, and ngokusebenzisana nje siyakwazi ukudeliver. Siqala nje ngeTheku municipality. Njengoba siyilana nje sijwayele sisebenze nabo before kwamanye ama projects, but besifisa nathi ukuba part of iDurban Business Fair nathi sibalwe as part of all service provider bakhona. Njengoba futhi kusondela nje iAfrica's Travel Indaba safisa ukubonakala nakhona kusebenzisana nakhona, and you get part of iTheku municipality khona iDurban Tourism nabo siyafisa ukusebenzisana nawo. Bese kube khona ke namanye ama private companies nawo futhi eske sike sawabona nje khona la nawo sazohamba sowashela siyafisa futhi ukusebenzisana nabo. So siyatholakala ku social media, siphinde ku social media nje usearcha uMagaga Media and Communications uyakwazi ukusithola. Ebese ocingweni sitholakala ku 061 006 6162. As well as the team yethu, we are the next billionaires.
Ngusindiswa ngwakamkhize Sibongo, ngisuka kwicompany waZanya Roma of which company based la eGlenwood. It's black owned company. It producer ama perfumes are all based. We have also ama room diffusers kuma products wethu, ama face serum, turmeric scrub, ama lotions, ama tissue oils, ama soaps, ama herbal soaps, also nama skincare soaps, nama perfumes lana. But these two eswaphethe namhlanje, it's turmeric, also i charcoal, ama scrub esinawo lawo. Uyayi-apply i-turmeric scrub like mengabe ufuna i-glow. Isikhathi esiningi turmeric helps with ukuboost i-glow yakho mengabe uyimuntu. So also i-charcoal lena, it's deep cleansing. Umuntu onenkinga mhlasimbe yeyinduno ohlala kuvuka amaqhubu ebusweni, you may use i-charcoal lena, then izo absorber konke lokungcola okuhluphayo la ngaphakathi esikhumbeni sakho. Ama-perfume awanabungcele, it's just that anamiwe because we got ama-females also nama-males perfume. Yes, njengamanje nje we just use them like this. The one with istikesi blue is for males, with istikesi yellow ama-females. Sikhona kuma-social media platforms, you can search for uWazanya Aroma, uzosifica. Facebook page sikhona, uTikTok sinawo. We also got ma-contact details ala kwi-business card ye-company. Si locate eGlenwood 150 Ricton Road ila eGlenwood.